You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this fairly common German expression meaning yes sir. So when you wanna say affirmative, yes indeed, quite strongly, okay? So if you want to learn more German expressions and vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you at the end of this one. Jawohl, alright? The J is pronounced like a Y, ja, just like yes in German. Jawohl. The W is pronounced like a V. Jawohl, jawohl. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.